There's portable, and then there's the LG Gram. These ultra on-the-go laptops come fully loaded with 8th generation processors and a serious emphasis on battery life, so you can use them just about anywhere. The Gram line comes in a variety of models with different features and specs, so you can pick the components and display size that works for you. You can get a 13.3, 14, or 15.6-inch display, and they all have a clear emphasis on portability and convenience. Every version of the LG Gram is less than 2 inches thick, and even the largest weighs in at about 2.5 pounds. There are 2 color options available, white and dark gray. Both are rated to withstand shocks, vibrations, contaminants, and other stressors you might encounter out there in the world with something this portable. The backlit keys are standard short travel membrane laptop keys, though they're snappy and responsive with little errant travel. The actual keycaps have slight depressions for the fingers to sit in, and the trackpad feels responsive and smooth. Just because it's small and light doesn't mean it's a slouch in the component department. The newest version of the LG Gram has an 8th generation Intel CPU, which delivers some real power in a compact system. The 7th generation equivalent is the 7200U, but the 8250U surpasses that chip with a higher clock speed and double the cache size. Optional features include Thunderbolt 3 connections, fingerprint readers, and touchscreens. You can also get the tech you want inside. LG Grams are available with Core i5 or i7 processors and different storage and memory capacities, so you can get the portable powerhouse that's right for you. These LG Gram notebooks are available with a 72 watt-hour battery, which means serious use before you have to plug it in. How long it lasts, of course, depends on the features of your Gram and how you use it, but LG claims up to 22 hours of use from a single charge. So, who is the LG Gram for? It's for those who need a snappy Windows experience in a light, slickly designed shell. The 8th gen CPU provides some real power in a compact system, and the high-performance battery and customizable component options make the LG Gram an easy recommendation in the ultra-portable space.